Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It is October 13th, and this hive here that we're looking at now is a hive. Well, actually, it's not even a hive. It's just a three-frame. No, it's two-frame. We're gonna put it in the three-frame. Three-frame box that we took a frame that had the queen cells on it that these other queens came from, and put it in this box to hatch. And this is what we have, and this is what we're going to do. So y'all keep watching. We're going to take this here. First of all, we're going to move the box over just a little bit. We're going to take this frame right here that came out of another hive over here that was started in a box like that. It's got frame bees on both sides. It has capped honey and pollen on both sides. So we're going to take this one and we're going to spray it down. Y'all probably can't see. Okay, we're going to take it, spray a little bit of sugar water inside, and we're going to take this frame with these bees and we're going to spray them down with some sugar water. You can use sugar water straight, or else you can use a little bit of vanilla extract with it. This is a three-frame box. This is a two-frame box. I don't like the two-frame boxes, but that's what we had then. Now this one has the new queen. It came from the cell. Now this frame here came out of 421 that we just did. Let's find our little queen first. These are some of the queen cells that was in it. One there. This is where this one came from. This one opened up. She's over yonder. And I don't think she's had long enough to go out and mate. There she is. Can't see from that side. There she is. Where'd she go? She's hiding. Anyway, she was right in here. But anyway, that's the little queen from that one. That's what you can do when you're making queens and you've got more than one queen that's being hatched. We take this one and we spray them down so they all smell like these over here. And that will usually keep them from fighting. There's a little queen. I saw her again. There she is. Spray a lot on them, it gives them more things to do, try to clean themselves off in the fight. By the time they clean themselves off, they're happy. Your friends then. It's grown. Back in, back in. Around here, every bee counts. Which one in and three comes out. Go ahead. Come on. That's that. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to give them any sugar water right now, but I am going to give them a little pollen patty. You know, some people said they got plenty of pollen out there, but if they only have one kind of pollen, kind of like you taking vitamins. You eating, you're getting vitamins. You figure you're getting vitamins anyway, but how many of you take a supplemental vitamin of some sort? I do. I take several. We'll come back tomorrow and see how they are behaving themselves. We'll take this one and move over here. Move this one over here. Put that there. That's that. That's how we do that, y'all. They have a little hole here. We're gonna close them up. That way they won't be robbed out. Okay. But this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Give us a thumbs up, comment. We'll keep a track on this one and the other one. This is 441-3. So we'll keep an eye on all three of these. But they all came out of the same hive as far as queens. And there's a couple more over here too. That queen, that frame had probably about 6, 8 queen cells on it. We just cut them out and put them in different places. And if we get up half of them back, we're ahead. But y'all enjoy today. Have a wonderful time. Bye.